Welcome! This module will help you use the Firestone Farm Tire Data Book to determine the proper replacement tire size for mechanical front-wheel drive tractors. This module will help you define rolling circumference, describe the importance of maintaining the same rolling circumference ratio, and determine the correct replacement tires. Tire rolling circumference is the distance a tire travels in one revolution. With mechanical front-wheel drive tractors, both the front and rear tires are engaged and, driving. Because the front tires are smaller than the rear, they require more revolutions to cover the same distance as the rear tire. The tractor is designed so the front and rear tires turn according to a specific front-to-rear ratio. Deviating too fast or too slow from the ratio can decrease tire life and harm the tractor's drivetrain. For example, perhaps you would like to replace these tires with a smaller set. Because this is a mechanical front-wheel drive tractor, you will likely need to replace both front and rear tires and maintain the same rolling circumference ratio. The easiest way to maintain the rolling circumference ratio when replacing tires is to keep the same tire size and design as the original tires. If not, you should choose a front and rear tire combination that maintains roughly the same rolling circumference ratio as the original tires. You find the ratio by dividing the rolling circumference of the front tire by the rolling circumference of the rear tire. For example, you would like to change to a taller rear tire on this tractor. This may be for more clearance, better traction, or greater load capacity. The tractor currently has 480 80R42 Firestone Radial Deep Tread 23 tires on the rear and 380 85R30 Firestone Radial All Traction DT tires on the front. The Firestone Farm Tire Data Book lists the rolling circumference for each tire. The rolling circumference for the current rear is 218, while the front is 167. Dividing 167 by 218 equals a ratio of 0.766. You can now choose your taller replacement tire. You decided on a 480 80R46 Firestone Radial Deep Tread 23 degree. Now you need to determine the correct tire for the front. According to the data book, this 480 80R46 tire has a rolling circumference of 231. You now need to find the rolling circumference for the front tire. To find this circumference, you multiply 231 by 0.766. If not a whole number, round up the result to the nearest whole number. Our calculation equals 177. You can now consult the data book to find the proper front tire. Find a tire with this rolling circumference, or up to 2 inches greater, but never less than your calculation. Now we are looking for a front tire with a rolling circumference between 177 and 179. The Radial All Traction DT 380 85R34 has a rolling circumference of 179. This is acceptable because it is 2 inches above the ratio calculation. In this module, you reviewed tire rolling circumference, the importance of maintaining the circumference ratio, and selecting tires for a mechanical front-wheel drive tractor using the Firestone Farm Tire Data Book. If you would like additional information, contact the Firestone Field Engineering Team or your local certified Firestone dealer.